Imagine you're buying a smartphone. You compare specs, read reviews, check prices, and still can't decide. Sound familiar? The problem? Comparison sites show data, but not how to actually think about your decision. Your brain naturally debates from multiple perspectives, but those sites don't. That's where BrainBattle AI comes in. BrainBattle simulates your internal brain debate using 9 AI agents. Each agent represents a different part of your decision making mind. Let me show you how it works. When you input products to compare, 4 core agents evaluate them simultaneously. Tech geek brain analyzes specifications. This processor is 30% faster. Frugal brain checks value for money. But you're overpaying by 5,000 rupees. Status brain considers brand perception. What will people think? Practical brain evaluates real world usage. Can you actually get it serviced? Each agent scores independently, creating a realistic internal debate. But here's what makes BrainBattle unique. We don't trust AI alone. 4 validators check the agent's work, running in sequence. Review validator reads thousands of actual user reviews. It found that users praise Samsung's battery life, adding 15 points, but camera quality disappoints, minus 8 points. Fact checker catches marketing tricks. 200 megapixel camera sounds impressive, but it actually uses pixel binning to output 12.5 megapixels. That's deceptive, minus 12 points. Deal checker verifies if discounts are real. It detected a genuine 24% discount here, worth 18 bonus points. But this other product has an inflated MRP, penalty applied. Bias detector ensures fairness. It caught Startus Brain overrating Samsung just for the brand name. Correction applied. This validation grounds AI judgments in reality. After all agents and validators finish, the ranking coordinator calculates final scores. Here's the winner. Samsung M35 with 86. 0.5 out of 100. But we don't stop there. BrainBattle shows what-if scenarios. What if you pick the runner-up instead? You would gain better camera specs and faster charging, but you'd lose 2,000 rupees more expensive, smaller battery, weaker service network. Net score change minus 3.5 points. This transparency helps you understand exactly what you're trading off. No more buyer's remorse. Built with Google Agent Development Kit, BrainBattle showcases production-grade multi-agent orchestration. Core agents run in parallel for speed. Validators execute sequentially for thoroughness. Every agent outputs structured JSON matching pydantic schemas. The system integrates tools for spec comparison, price analysis, and review processing. Session management tracks comparison history. Everything deploys to Google Cloud Run with auto-scaling. This isn't just a demo, it's production-ready architecture solving a real problem. BrainBattle AI transforms product comparison from overwhelming data tables into transparent decision making. For consumers, confident choices in minutes, not hours. For businesses, higher conversion, lower returns, happier customers. Your brain already debates when making decisions. BrainBattle just makes it visible. BrainBattle AI. Your brain debating, smart product choices.